What is up, guys? Hello. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, that smells good. Oh my God, do you see the skin? It's literally coming right off. I feel like I'm literally slapping myself with my own hand and slapping on foundation with this. In today's video, hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm gonna be doing sort of a challenge or just kind of showing you stuff that I really haven't used. And I'll be describing the reasons why as well. And I am including brushes as well in this video. So let's jump right into this. If you haven't subscribed yet though, take one quick moment to do so. Please hit the like button if you like the video. And let's get started. For moisturizer, my usual is my Skin MD, but let's try this out. This is the Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. And I think the reason why I only ever use this probably like one time is because it smells like a pure rose. When it comes to skincare, I only have probably 2 to 3 products. For primer, I have probably used this one freaking time in my entire humanity of lifetime. This is the Professional Pore Filling Primer from Benefit. I think I tried it one time, and when I put foundation over it, I don't think it gripped well. Let's see, we're about to find out. I feel like it does a good job. It mattifies your pores. But I'm only gonna use this in areas where my pores are most pristine. This is something I have never, not even one time used this. And this is gonna be the Ulta Beauty Tinted Eye Primer in Satin Blush. And I think the reason why I didn't use this is because it's tinted. It's like a glittery eyeshadow primer. It's like you're applying a lipstick on your eye. Let that work its magic. For eyes, I'm gonna be using this little Sephora Arctic little palette. I've only ever used this little palette one time and I never ever after that reach for it again. I think it's just because the quality of the shadows are like, eh. For brushes, let's go ahead and start with a MAC 224. This brush I've only used maybe about 5 years ago. This is a MAC made in Japan. This is a MAC 272 brush. Go ahead and start off with this shade right here. Has no name. Not bad at all. This brush is so freaking scratchy. I'm just gonna apply that all over my crease area. I'm gonna go in with this color here, this burgundy mauve color. And I'm gonna go in with the MAC 217, which is a more precise brush. So let's go ahead and just start applying that in the outer corners, see if there's any color being produced. Anything even, like, do you even see a difference in the eye cut, like anything? Okay, that was messy. Let's just go ahead and deepen the outer corner with that shade. This black is so patchy, not ideal. Maybe I added too much. Let's go ahead and just bring that shade in. This is just not working out. Let's try to intensify this look a little more. Let's go in with this silvery color here. Go ahead and apply that all the way to my lid. Actually, the gunmetal color is not too bad. It's just non-existent. Okay, there you go, that did it. Use a finger, always. Go back to the black color, black shade. Did not mean for this to be a punk rock look at all. Grabbing this shade here, the original terracotta shade. What the hell is a terracotta? We're just gonna bring that up. I'm trying to feather out these harsh lines here, and it's like almost impossible. Go ahead and add this color. Actually, not too bad. We're done with this eye crazy look. For foundation, I'm going to be using a mix of 2 foundations, Maybelline 24-hour matte foundation. The reason why I declined to use this is because, first of all, the color is way too light for my skin. And it looks like it probably would match my skin perfectly, but it doesn't. Every single time I use it, I would always break out. I'm gonna match it with the e.l.f. foundation, which actually looks like it's the perfect match for my skin, but yet it's too dark. As far as the tool that I'm gonna be using that I've only used maybe once or twice, it's this beauty sponge from Morphe. The reason why I don't use it very often is because it's not so squishy, and I like squishy sponges. I feel like I'm literally slapping myself with my own hand and slapping on foundation with this. All right, let's use this sponge that I never use. I don't know. I like my foundation to sink into the skin. You see, like, in the shape of the sponge is like on my face. I don't know if I'm using it wrong, if I should be using it with this side. Nope, look, you see some redness peeking through. Oh my God, do you see the skin? It's literally coming right off. That's beautiful. Oh my God, this is the worst sponge of my life. I blame it on this sponge, the tool, and also this primer. For concealer, I'm going to be using another concealer that I only ever use for my eyelids. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of this concealer because it looks like it's really heavy coverage, but it's really not. It's really, really odd. Let's try it out together. It dries down way too matte. It's just like a plaster of paint that you're putting on your under eyes. And we're gonna go ahead and just set the under eyes with these two light colors here. Set those mattified creases. This is the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette, the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, and we're gonna go in with this color. Just, why am I tapping? There's no powder here. It's just force of habit. Let's go ahead and just stamp this. Oh, that's not bad. Why am I tapping? I'm starting to look less dead now. And just bring it right around the edges. This face is so crusty. So I'm gonna go in with this color here. It's a harsh nose. So let's go ahead and see. And I am just gonna go into the black of the shadow here. It's like I'm literally scratching every part of my skin. With the same brush, I am gonna dig into this color here, the gunmetal color. I'm gonna dig into that magenta color. For blush, I'm gonna be using this blush that I only ever used when I was younger, and this is from MAC. It's called Easy Manner. We're gonna be applying that with this Real Techniques blush brush. Give me some color. Oh, that's cute. It feels like I just went running in the snow. I feel like this brush, if it was just a little bit smaller, this could go a long way. I'm gonna be using this Becca highlight. It's like a cream highlight. Try that. Oof. Oh, maybe use it with our fingers. I'm gonna dab it with my finger. Let's pair it with something else I don't use from Becca. It's this cream shimmering skin perfector in opal. I don't know why I'm putting all these weird creamy products on top of my powders. Maybe I'm the problem. I am gonna use this Glide On pencil from Urban Decay and Perversion. The reason why I don't use this is because it clouds my vision. It really does. Probably an expired pencil. I got this on sale. That mascara is very pretty. I like it. For lipstick, I'm gonna be using a lipstick that I never use because I feel like it does not complement my skin tone in any way. This is MAC, the color Whirl. When I bought this, I actually was in that mood of the brown, like the brownie 90s vibe. This is a lip liner in Mocha from Ulta. Oh, that rhymes. This is pointless. Let's go on with the color Whirl. Ooh, that's kind of cute. See, it's like a brownie color. And for lip gloss, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. lip lacquer in the color Fantasy. It's this little lip lacquer. I think it was like $2 or $3, and I just never find myself reaching for it because I'm not really a lip gloss kind of person. I was at some point. I feel like this look better matte. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. That is the completed look. So beautiful and fancy, right? Hope that you enjoyed the look. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.